Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by creating your world and choosing survival for progression or creative to practice. Once done, press the key to open your inventory and note the crafting grid. Immediately gather wood by punching trees. Wood becomes planks, then sticks, and basic tools. Make a crafting table right away to expand recipes. You do this to survive the first night and to unlock essential tools. Without wood, you can't craft a pickaxe to mine stone and upgrade your gear. Once you have wood, craft a wooden pickaxe and mine stone to upgrade to stone tools, faster and more durable. Then locate a safe spot and build a quick shelter, or dig into a hill to block mobs. Make a furnace to smelt ores and cook food, and craft torches for light. You need light to stop mob spawns. If you find sheep, craft a bed to skip nights and reset your spawn. This reduces risk while exploring and mining. You advance by mining. Seek iron first, then diamond, carrying food and plenty of torches. Light prevents surprise attacks. Once you have obsidian and a book, craft an enchanting table and use lapis to enchant armor and tools, improving efficiency and survival. Explore biomass and villages to trade and find loot. Locate strongholds and nether portals when equipped. If things go wrong, like getting trapped, place and use a bed to reset spawn or craft extra tools and blocks to bridge or dig out safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.